Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to check stock in SAP using three important transactions: MMBE, MB5B and MB52. If you are working in inventory management or warehousing, knowing how to efficiently check stock level, material movement and stock valuation is crucial. These transactions provide comparatively insight into stock at different storage warehouse or even across the entire company. In this session, I will guide you through each of these transactions. MMBE, Material Stock Overview, where you can view the stock by plant, storage, location, batch and more. MB5B, stock at the particular date, which help you track stock changes over a specific period. MB52, warehouse stock report, which give you detailed information on stock, quantities and their location. By the end of the video, you will be able to use this SAP transaction effectively to manage and monitor stock level in your organization. Let's get started. So you log into the SAP. This one is T code bar where you can use your T code. First we are going to check MMPE. Okay, then enter. Here you can enter the material number. If you know any material number, you can put directly. Suppose you type initiate and you will give you the suggestion there. You can go any material number like this. Press enter. If you know that if you want to check by plant, storage or anything, you can use these options. Then after F8, you can see now this material is inside this one. This is our plant location. This is our plant location. This one is our storage location. Then you can see this in related to this batch, 2 pieces available. In related to this batch, 2 pieces available, and in related to this one is 1 piece available. If you have any multiple plant, you can see down is another plant. This is one of our plant and this is another plant. Then this is our stock and this is on order stock. If there is anything block or unrestricted, you can see here return block if there is any. In this window you will get information related to only single material. For the second one is MB5B. Let's go there. There are two ways to go back. You can simply press F3 to go back, or else you want to jump to the another section, then you have to use this one /n is to MB5B, the T code where you want to jump. It will take you to that window with the same material number. In this window you can see this material number is already there, manufacturer part number, if you have any, company code, if you know the account. There's many different way of filtering your data. Even this one will give you information related to only one single material. If you want to get information for different and many items, you can use this option. You can simply click here, and if you have many part numbers or something, you can paste it here. Go execute, then you can go here execute. Now it's showing our data. Now it's showing our data. In stock till now it's 5 pieces, same as we checked before. In this window, what is special is it will give you state our stock was 1. In this date our stock was 2, and in this date we sell 1, in this date we sell 1, and in this we sell 1. Coming like there are movement type 101, 601, and every company have different type of movement type. You have to check your movement type. Third one is MB52. For MB52 you can use same /n MB52. It will give you this. If you jump to the another window, here you can see the material. If I want to check the stock code related to any storage location, or if you want to see the same part number, you can press F8. It will show you all the material available, batch, quantity, and in locations, GR number. But I need to in this window you can filter by like remove the part number and 1000 our plant location. And I need to see the stock of 1004 only, then material group. If you don't know the material group, you can simply go in this search icon. You can press over here Then you can see what is defined to your. For me, I need to check this. Double click here and execute. It will give you the stock list of entire 1004 location related to our stock. You can see if you do this down, you will see everything. If you want to export in Excel, you can go to this option list, export spreadsheet. We give you like this prompt, then you will go and select your file name, stock, then choose where you want to save the file and press save. Give some permissions, allow. Now it will open in Excel, and from here you can do whatever you want. You want to make filter, you want to see anything, main project, how many projects you have, whatever you want, you can do it from here. That's much for today. See you in next video.